Rightio, so we are here at Waves Car Wash at Gungahlin. As you can see, we've got a WashTec SoftLine 2 tunnel. Now, I'm filming this just before Labor Day, so we're doing this for a very special occasion. So we have it in neutral, of course. And now we're not just doing any wash with the SoftLine 2 tunnel today. We're doing a touch-free wash. So which means the brushes will not go at all. So what's going to happen is those brushes there will actually move out of our way instead of actually switching on. But in just case you must know, those are the coloured SoftTecs right there. But next time I'm here, I will be using the brushes, like I always do. Because we'll actually have a special visitor, which is my auntie, next time we're here. So no brushes, got the nice Waves logo there. The cafe's right there. So this should be a very quiet wash. So you're going to see now that that top brush is actually going to move out of our way. See? So you can see everything's moving out of our way because it's a touch-free wash, so the brushes are saying, nope, not my job today. Not this time. So you can see the side brushes are now moving. While we're actually going past, we can actually have a nice look at the brushes actually. So you can see they're green, orange and purple. This is the first time I've been through this tunnel without the brushes running. So you can see the top brush was running back there as it was going back down. But it's not touching the vehicle. So you can see here, so no brushes. So this is actually just a tunnel version of the WashTec SoftLine 2. As you see, we've got the WashTec logo there. We have our dryers in front, which will start very soon. And you can hear they're now starting now. So we've got our side dryers right there, as you can see on the sides, and our roof dryer right here. The side dryers right there, as you can see. There's the side dryers there, and then there's a roof jet right here, which is a rotary nozzle. So the fan motor right there. And there you have it. Our first touch-free car wash with the SoftLine 2 tunnel. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.